Welcome to our channel Bright Mass. Let us see the combined solid problems in mensuration. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and the diameter 1.4 cm, a cone of the same height and same diameter is carved out. Find the volume of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter cube. This is the diagram for the given problem. Here this red color is the cylinder and the blue color is the cone. Here given the cone has same height and also same diameter. So we take the diameter 1.4 centimeter. The radius is half of the diameter. So taking half of this, we get the radius 0.7. And here it is given that the height is 2.4 centimeter. And see the given, the cone is carved out. So that means this cone, blue color cone is taken out. So it is removed out. We have to find the volume of the remaining solid. Now let us write the given. For the cylinder, the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. That means the radius is 0.7 centimeter. And the height is 2.4 centimeter. For the cone, the radius is same, that is 0.7 centimeter. The height also same, that is 2.4 centimeter. We have to find the volume of the remaining solid, that is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Since the cone is removed out, we have to subtract that volume. So volume of cylinder minus volume of cone, that gives the volume of remaining solid. This is equal to, write the formula, volume of cylinder is pi r squared h minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Taking 3 LCM, we get 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3 pi r squared h. So here note that pi r squared h is common. So this is 1 time minus 1 by 3 times. Taking 3 LCM, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into pi r squared h. This is equal to 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R is 0.7. That can be taken as 7 by 10 into again 7 by 10. So r squared, we have to write the value of r 2 times into h 2.4. That can be taken as 24 by 10. Now we can cancel 7, 7. And let us cancel 3 and 24 8 times. Now multiply all the numerator numbers. 2 into 22 into 7 into 8. So if we multiply this, we get 2464. We have divided by denominator 10 into 10 into 10. So we have 3 zeros in the denominator. So we have to put the point after 3 decimal places from the right side. So we get the answer 2.464 centimeter cube. Next problem. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 12 cm and radius 6 cm standing on a hemisphere of radius 6 cm is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the water displaced out of the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 6 cm and height is 18 centimeter. This is the diagram for the given problem. Here this red color is the cone, blue color is the hemisphere, and this green color is the cylinder. Now see the given cone of height 12 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter. So this red color cone height 12 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter, and it is standing on a hemisphere. So this red color cone is standing on a blue color hemisphere, and given its radius is 6 centimeter, and this is placed in a cylinder which is full of water. So this cylinder we have full water. So this solid is placed inside the cylinder such that it touches the bottom. Now the question is, we have to find the volume of the water displaced out. Given the cylinder is 6 centimeter radius and the total height is 18 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder is 18 centimeter, and here we can note that since the radius is 6, this hemisphere, this is also radius and that is also 6. So that means this height 12 plus 6 gives the total height 18. Now let us write the given informations. First let us write the cone. The height is 12 centimeter and the radius is 6 centimeter. Next let us write hemisphere. Hemisphere, the radius is same, that is 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of the water displaced equal to the volume of solid placed. So here already this cylinder is full of water. So if we place this solid inside the cylinder, the water is removed out. The volume of that water displaced is the volume of this solid placed. So that is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, equal to, write the formula, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now let us take 1 by 3 common outside, and also we can take pi r square common outside, into we have h plus 2r. Now substitute the values. This is 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R is 6, so 6 square into h value 12 plus 2r. R value 6, 2 into 6, 12. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 square, that is 6 into 6 into 12 plus 12, 24. Here we can cancel 3. So cancel 3 and 24 8 times, and this 7 we cannot cancel. So just multiply all the numerator numbers, after that divide by 7. If 7 is not possible to cancel, we can take the pi value as 3.14. So in that case we get a slightly approximate answer. So if we multiply all the numerator and finally divide by 7, we can get the accurate answer, but both are correct only. So here just multiply all the numerator numbers and then divide by 7, we get the answer 905.14 centimeter cube. So remember, volume we have to write cubic units. Thanks for watching.